Hello students, hi, welcome with this course, an introduction to chemistry. All of the objects around you, books, your pen, pencil, and the things of nature such as rocks, water, plant, and animal substance form the matter of the universe. Each of the particular kind of matter, such as certain kind of paper, plastic, or metal, is referred to as a material. We can define chemistry as the science of composition and structure of materials and of changes that materials undergo. Chemists may hope that by understanding certain materials, the chemist will be able to find a cure for a disease or a solution for an environmental ill. For thousands of years, human beings have fashioned natural materials into useful products. Modern chemistry certainly had its roots in this attempt. After the discovery of fire, people began to notice changes in certain rocks and minerals exposed to high temperatures. From these observations came the development of ceramics, for example, glass and metals, which today are among our most useful materials. Dyes and medicines were other early products obtained from natural substances. Chemistry as a field of study based on scientific principles came into being only in the later part of the 18th century. Chemists began to look at the precise quantities of substances they used in their experiments. From this work came the central principle of modern chemistry: the materials around us are composed of exceedingly small particles called atoms. The precise arrangement of these atoms into molecules or more complicated structures accounts for the many different characteristics of materials. Once chemists understood this central principle, they could begin to fashion molecules to order. They could synthesize molecules, for example, that is, they could build large molecules from small ones. Chemists continue to develop new materials and to discover new properties of old ones. Electronics and communication, for example, have been completely transformed by technological advances in materials. One application of chemistry is optical fiber, which are cables have replaced, of course we can say optical fibers, we can say that cables have replaced long distance telephone and cables made of copper wire. Optical fibers are fine threads of extremely pure glass. Because of their purity, these fibers can transmit laser light pulses for miles compared with only a few inches in ordinary glass. Chemistry, a science for the 21st century. From the application of chemistry, we can say health and medicine, chemical reaction, and drug synthesis. Chemistry is important in medicine because most disease, injuries, and treatments involve chemicals and chemical processes. By understanding chemistry, we are able to develop drugs that fight disease, develop better nutrition, and develop healthier environments to avoid disease. Energy and environment: fuels, solar and nuclear energy. Chemistry, of course, helps us to cope with increasing pressure on energy, food, water, and other scarce natural resources, and to live more sustainably. Also, materials and technology. Polymers, ceramic, liquid crystals, molecular computing, also one field for application of chemistry. Computational chemistry is a branch of chemistry that uses computer simulation to assist in solving chemical problems. Also, we can say from application, genetically modified crops, natural pesticides, and specialized fertilizers. If we look in macro scale, we deal with normal weights such as kilograms and grams, while in micro scale, so before macro scale, now micro scale, in chemistry we deal with atoms and molecules scale. Thank you students, see you in the next video.